Now, how would I describe Byron Bay? Paradise.
Attention passengers, we've now reached our destination. We hope you enjoyed the flight and have a nice day.
So we took a quick flight from Sydney to Ballina, and just sitting here looking out the window got me so excited to finally experience the hype that everyone's been talking up about Byron Bay. After getting off the airplane, we went inside the airport and found our luggage, hailed an Uber, and that took a lot longer than we had anticipated, but that's okay. So our Uber rocked up in this cool utility truck, and you could tell he was local at heart because he was boasting about the beauty and wonder that is Byron. I'd say he set us up for an amazing start. Okay, so we just arrived at our Airbnb. It's this cute little surf shack, which is 5 minutes away from the beach, so we're super stoked. So we're just gonna set down all our things and probably hit up the beach, maybe go get some food, you know, hang out.
Cheers, and you are holding us back. Yay!
Cheers to Byron. Now we're gonna go get some tacos. Ain't that right, guys?
Yes!
Okay guys, so today's a super exciting day. In about an hour, we are gonna go snorkeling with some turtles. Are you excited to snorkel with turtles, Cabris?
What?
Are you excited to snorkel with turtles?
Yes, I'm so excited.
Now, I've never gone snorkeling before, so I was so excited to not only snorkel for the first time, but with turtles. Like, how cool is that? There was about 15 other people in our group who got onto the boat with us from all around the world. Some of them were actually from Canada, which was pretty cool. The boat ride out there was actually a whole experience in itself, and I would definitely pay to do that. But we came here for one thing only, and that was to hang out with the marine life. And for the guest of honors, there's the turtle. So cool, right? Now, I wasn't expecting this, but there was some free divers that were in the water with us, and I handed my GoPro off to this girl, and she got these cool shots of the shark. Like, wow, I can't get over how cool these shots are. After getting our feet wet, literally, we hit up the main street in Byron Bay. The streets were filled with art, music, super chilled, laid-back people. It was just perfect. I had so much fun. As our trip gradually came to an end, we did it the best way we knew how, and that was chilling at the beach. Byron Bay definitely stole my heart. Like anybody who's visited, I can only imagine. I did not want to leave. I was so sad and heartbroken. I definitely left a piece of my heart here. There was still so much for me to see and explore, but you know what? At least I can die happy knowing that I got to experience, once in a lifetime, the magic that is Byron Bay. Thank you, Byron.